So guys, we have a cardboard Dominator 3 and Dominator 2. Made in cardboard. I'm not the beginner of making Dominator 3 and 2. I'm gonna show you my Dominator 3 and 2. Here's guys. This, look. Here's the this is the Dominator 1 and this is the Dominator 2. This is my accessories of my T13 because my T13 is missing. Hands I found it. The hands I found it. This is the stand of T13. This is hand of my T13 is missing all the body and legs. This is another is a armadillo. Is a the airbags is syringe. I gonna show you the airbags. Wait. I gonna show you guys. This is a look. This is a this we're deploying. Look guys. This is deploy. You have airbags, a syringe. Next time we're gonna build the Titus building cardboard. Okay, I will place in the place. This is my room, guys. This is my room, guys. See you tomorrow, and next to build is Titus. The Titus. Bye. Peace.